So, you want to learn the stock market? Maybe you've seen it somewhere. Maybe your old friend just talked about it. But either way, you're here. Let's see. What is the stock market? Easy. It's where you buy stocks. Stocks are a share of a company that is public. Public meaning it's listed on the stock market. Did you get that? Let me repeat. Stocks are like a small piece of a pie, and the big pie is the company. Not all companies share their stocks, only companies that are publicly listed, like in PSE or the Philippine Stock Exchange. There's different more around the world. Anyway, there's two ways to be involved in it. Invest it or trade it. There are those who invest in it, and that's okay. But for the small guys who can't wait 50 years and have a big capital, like how we all started in ZFT. We just trade it. Investing is basically buying a share of the company you like, then holding on to it. It's like marriage. You get to know the company intimately before you commit to it. Trading, on the other hand, well, you can say it's more fast-paced. Once it's no longer working out, you gotta get out. To be honest, sometimes we could be trading a particular stock, and they're all just names. We don't know what that company does. All we know is we like the way the price is moving. You know what they say, don't fall in love with a stock. The problem with investing is after waiting for so long, you could have picked wrong. Or that one single year can wipe out 5 years of growth in your portfolio. This doesn't bother the big boys. I mean, they can cash out somewhere else. But for us, we gotta be smarter than that. We need to learn how to dance in this market the way we are designed to do so. You could be trading like a fund manager if you don't have that much funds, no? We move different. So you gotta be tactical. Understand what you are. ZFT is a tribe of traders who uses the ZFT system. Boy, we got the best ones. We got champions and leaders. If you want results, this is where you go. That's why you belong here. But we got no time for people who love to pull each other apart. If you're into that, we ain't the right fit. If you're a complete newbie and you want to learn trading for free, like opening an account, reading price charts, and all the important and basic stuff, there's Trading for Rookies Facebook group. Head over there. But if you're familiar with the ways of the market, here's programs we got for you. Anyway, we're sure you got questions, so slide over our DMs and let's figure out how you can get started to this wonderland of money and how you can join the tribe.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. So this is again your host, Yurilicious, guys. Kumusta kayo? What's up? What's up? Shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga natin, mga katribo, no? Etsy Nishida, check. Oy, congratulations pala kay Etsy. Siya yung nanalo sa TR Homecoming na TR Got Talent pala. Congrats. We have Cyrex from Itivac. Dito din si Joshua, check. Beck is here as well. Paul Olado, what's up? Paul Magbuos is here. Welcome to um, Trading Republic. Leoven, nandito din. Si Emel, what's up? What's up? Frederick, present, watching from YouTube. Kathy Atienza, hello, Kathy. Maayong udtod sadya, Frederick, no? Fritz is here as well. From Cavite. Resh, what's up? What's up? Ayan, thank you, Tribe daw, sabi ni Etsy. So, Robert is here as well. Noha is here. What's up? Raymond, what's up? Ron, Brad, I hope you're doing good. Jonathan, check. El Prestoza is here as well. So, yeah, let's get into it, guys. Let's take a look at what's going on with the market right now. What would be the expectation um, with what's going on with the Philippine market? As you can see, I think for the past, I haven't been trading for almost like 2 weeks already. The last trade I did was ABA and cut tayo dun. But other than that, we don't have any other open positions. Um, Currently, I'm just looking at the markets. I've mentioned before that the reversing, naunang mga magre-reverse are usually blue chips. And second, once those blue chips retraces, you'll be able to see plays from second, third liner, and fourth liner. And that's what we're seeing here right now. Um, by the way, as you can see, may nakita ata kayong bagong video from 2trade Asia. We have already released the update with 2trade. So, sa mga ka-2trade natin dyan, you may download the app or update it. Nasa Google Play na yan and ano ba yan sa iPhone? Google Store ba yan sa iPhone, guys? App Store. Ayan. So, wash up. Pang malakas ang bangsa. Alright, Eller is here. Congratulations for Bala Eller sa mga magagandang trades mo. Nakikita ko sa sa Discord. Elmer, Esma, what's up, what's up? Boss Karen, Cabonce. Thank you very much for the gift. Kaso hindi ko pwedeng i-story kasi bawal pala. Pero thank you very much sa binigay mo, sir. Senon is here as well. Lawrence and ayun, sabi ni ML, downloading new app, nakita ko. All right, very good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at what's going on with the market. I'll be sharing my screen now. Shout out sa tech natin, no? Shout out na kay tech. Let's take a look at here. So I'm now sharing my screen. Can you confirm, guys, if nakikita nyo ba? Ba't parang ang liit? Ano nga? Ayan. Medyo mas malaki-laki na. So looking at it, we have repeatedly told you for the last few weeks and days, no, that what we're looking at is a fill of this void over here. And sobrang actually lakas niya. Nagkaroon siya ng trap for breakout buyers. Looking at it, inabot niya pa halos yung 6,083 something. Right, dito banda. So basically, as what I'm seeing, this might be a potential trap na ginawa ng market, no? So after feeling the void, last hurrah, and then right now, nag-retrace niya. So like I've mentioned before, I'm expecting a pullback on this market, December, and I'm looking at a coming down of the market this January, and see if we'll have a good year next year, no? But to be quite honest, for the Philippine market, people, just save your, you save your bullets for next year. For me, looking at it, wala masyadong movers. So if you're trading right now, make sure you're just allocating around 10 to 20% of your portfolio. If you want to trade some names, especially names that are second and third liner and maybe fourth liner. So yun lang naman. But we'll still go ahead and take a look at some individual names to see if what would be the potential plays. I'm seeing some plays, but I'm not yet convinced if may nagpakita na ba na market leader sa market natin. All right? So I guess a few names that are interesting today before I go through with my list are the movers now. So looking at it, she now broke out today. So nagkaroon tayo ng box breakout here. After the run up, I think we have the first RSI 70 touch over here. And then we have a CH pattern or setup, consolidation at the highs. So very, very classic CH. And then we have a run up for now. Now, this is already a move that is for me a potential sell already. Okay, if you bought somewhere here, you should be profit taking maybe at around 170 to 180 if ganun siya kalakas. But I'd be considering selling already somewhere around 160 to 164 in these levels that were what I'm seeing. So yun yung mga profit targets na tinitignan ko for now. I'm not gonna buy and hold this stock. If it retraces and creates a good consolidation, that's the only time that I'll be considering this for a potential reversal. Looking at it, weekly chart, tingnan nyo, medyo fishy pa coming from the lows. So nag-reverse lang talaga siya. So for me, that's my analysis for this stock. Another one would be IDC. IDC, actually, lumabas siya sa screener ko a few days ago. Problem lang is liquidity. IDC is coming from a downtrending move. Nagkaroon ng head and shoulders pattern, breaking out here. And then right now it's trying to take another move. So, hindi masyado ako nagmamadali. Like I've mentioned, if this stock is good, it's gonna show us good consolidation patterns for continuation. So, ito pa lang yung mga reversing type of moves na ginagawa ng mga third liners and second liners. So mga quick moves lang, benta-benta lang after maybe buying here or maybe buying here. You should be selling somewhere here or maybe somewhere here at 90 to 1 peso. So yan yung mga pitik-pitik moves na gagawin nyo lang. So those are, I think, two movers that I'm looking at. But basing from our screeners, the leading one is SSI. Looking at it, ito yung drawing na gusto nating mangyari, consolidation just way above here before it's gonna continue moving up. But looking at it, on the market right now, tignan yung volume, walang kalaman-laman, right? So hindi masyadong hindi masyado akong attracted sa mga ganito. It can still be tradable, ano siya, setup wise okay naman siya. Like I mentioned, this is the third touch of resistance already. And what I want to see is a tight consolidation over here, right? Before it's gonna continue moving upward. So yan yung nakikita ko for SSI. And some names personally that I'm looking at would be Bloom. So looking at this is the reason why I'm looking at Bloom is I'm seeing a accumulation pattern for Bloom. You see these green candles? These are accumulation volume for Bloom, and every time it just consolidates low volume siya. And this is actually the 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth time resistance touch for Bloom. So I'm hoping for a good tight consolidation somewhere, just somewhere around here for a potential swing. Cut loss would be if it does not 660 does not hold. That's the invalidation of the bias. I want to see this one consolidate clearly and then break out from this level. So yun yung mga potential na tinitignan ko for Bloom. Looking at that weekly chart is all MAs are below prices already. All right, so potential reversing stock siya. Wala lang ako balita though for casino. I think Bloom is one of the casino stocks if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba? Or si Web ba yun? Sino ba yun? Web is a casino stock. Ito si Bloom, nakalimutan ko what type of business is this. But technical wise, I'm seeing smiles, right? Longer time frame, I'm seeing smiles for, Bloom. So what do you want to see are smiles? So layer pala si Bloom. Okay, so thank you, Ron. So that's what we are looking at for this type of stocks. Although, hindi siya all-time high, no? So if titignan nyo, medyo madami siyang overhead supply at the left side. Just be very very careful when trading stocks like this. So ito lang yung gusto ko because ito lang yung isa sa mga liquid stocks din. All right. So let's take a look at other names. We have so check natin si ABA. So si ABA, after breaking down from this level over here, I'm not suggesting the stock unless it consolidates again na matagal for a potential breakout play. But other than that, baka potentially bear flag yung ginagawa ni ABA and it might continue going down. So yun. Espenec, not gonna recommend this anymore. The play is over. If you bought somewhere here, I guess for me, target price hit na yan somewhere around here. Or if may leg pa, move forward, baka hanggang dito 153. But risk reward wise, it's not that good anymore. Green, don't buy the stock yet. Wala pa siyang signs for strength. Emmy. So Emmy already recovered from area of recovery after breaking down. Ito na yung formation niya ginagawa. So there might be a potential play for Emmy. Siguro volume lang siguro ang kailangan for a move upward. But definitely Emmy Emperador is still okay for me. I'm not sure if LR is still here. LR. So LR, it's very interesting because after breaking down, nagkaroon siya ng recovery. Nagkaroon siya ng ganito na move tapos tight consolidation. So, abangan nyo to guys. Baka may breakout na mangyari or what. This was the previous leader last October. So, tignan ko nga yung weekly chart nito. Okay, so bumabawi. So let's see for LR kung ano yung move niya gagawin na next. Definitely it's still on the watch lists for me. AP, AP, TP hit na to kay AP. We've discussed this one already. We've used Darva's TP for this. Ayan, saktong-sakto. Si AP, saktong benta somewhere around here. So TP hit na si AP. Right now, if you'll be trading this, of course, kuha ka na naman sa malalim-lalim na mga price. So this one over here, if it holds, it consolidates. If the stock is very, very strong. But the usual move for a blue chip is a 50 MA move, a trail. So most likely, dito pa siya banda if it's gonna continue moving upward. Eagle, yuck. So I think okay, tapos na to, 'di ba? Si Eagle, December 7, if I'm not mistaken, yung pwede kang magbenta. So I guess tapos na to. I'll be deleting this one on my watch list na. Bye-bye, Eagle. Wala ka ng lugar dyan. Wilcon. So for liquid stocks, like I mentioned, trending liquid stocks, just be very careful like Ani, na potential revisit sa mga medyo deep levels. So 50 MA trails or maybe below DB50 area. So yun yung mga binabantayan for liquid stocks. Jollibee. Oh my goodness, Jollibee. Sayang, hindi nag-hold. No? Retest the multi-year level high. And then right now, it's just consolidating. So like I've mentioned, blue chips. Kita nyo guys, sa lahat sa blue chips, this one move, sell. Jollibee for me, this is already a sell. When looking at it, PSE, pag bumagsak yung market natin, I mean, this was already an opportunity for sell, for blue chips already. Kasi overextended na talaga. Kahit saan mo tignan, overextended. Dapat sell na yung bias mo dito banda sa mga blue chips na yan. So, I'm not holding any blue chips anymore. Jollibee, AP, MWC. I believe MWC, siya yung medyo matinag-tinag. So, there might be a play for MWC, no? So we're seeing a very good hold here at this level. Although RSI did not hold, pero consolidation is still tight. So we might still see another movement, one leg up. Benta around 23 to 24 if it continues, if it breaks out at 21.50. That would be for MWC. For LTG, I'm gonna pass on it. Again, reversing stock, a blue chip that is reversing stock, medyo dapat wala yan sa lista natin. So Bloom finish now done, SSI finish, and IDC. So those are the names that that I'm personally looking at. No trade as of the moment. Wala pa akong nakikitang worthy of my money. Um, let me take a look at the quants to see if I did not miss anything. So we have names like Annie, who recovered. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, Annie, who recovered from here, 100 MA, and then rallied again. So Annie is trending still. So just be very careful for liquid stocks. Most likely, isang sell-off yan, GG, di ba? So I don't buy breakout. Don't buy breakout for this. Wait for some pullbacks before buying because nga liquid siya. So just be very careful when trading stocks like this. APX, ayan, APX, gumalaw si APX with good volume over here. We have a breakout coming from this range. See, APX. So we have breakout. Siguro it would be interesting kung ano yung type of consolidation pattern gagawin ni APX next. Do we see a consolidation pattern over here? Ganyan. For a continuation move or what? So, yun, abangan natin si APX. I'm just looking at stocks that medyo may liquidity. So far wala talaga ako makita, guys. So far walang trade. So Bloom lang ata yung pinakaano ko nakita na liquid. So some names like PXC, PXP, wala masyado din. So we'll take a look at some names that you like to see. So may mga ano dito, nag-request like web. Sabi ni sino ba to? Si Will. Okay. So for web, same thing, no? It's a quick place, good volume after namatay, after huge run up. So may mga ganitong moves talaga yung mga stocks na to, mga pitik-pitik. Kahit anong stock tignan mo, may mga ganitong moves talaga. So breakout from downtrend, and then afterwards gusto niya lang, hanggang dito usually yung move na pwede niyang tignan before it consolidates and dies again. Always remember this move is still a lower high. So don't expect much if you're trading this. You should be selling this anywhere around 350 area. If ever sobrang lakas niya. Okay? So that would be for web. APX done already. Now done. Eagle na. So APX done. PX is mining stocks. Ano? Happened to mining stocks. Ayan, very interesting to see PX. This is a reversal type of move coming from a head and shoulders pattern. We have a potential retest over here in consolidation. So pag ganon, potential play to si PX. So note nyo to si PX, guys, baka add natin sa watchlist to. Baka mabigyan tayo ng good play for PX. See now, done already, APX, Medic. So for Medic, it's still definitely alive. We have already chart na natin to before, si Medic. As you can see, after the move over here, nagkaroon tayo ng tight movement. So this is a potential breakout for Medic. All MAs are below prices already. We are now seeing higher lows. And good volume is coming in as well. So, yep, we'll add this one to our lists. Si Medic. Asa na yung ano? Ayan. So now Globe. Okay, so sabi ni Globe. Tama ba to? Ay no, sorry. Globe, no, I'm not gonna recommend trading this. Like you've mentioned, ito fake move, no? After break after the breakout na ginawa niya dito, run up, then after consolidation, and then right now dead. So these are classic traps that I am seeing. No, no, no. We're not gonna be trading this yet anytime soon. Si Globe. PXP, have we checked PXP already? PXP. So for PXP, if this is this the right PXP? Right, for PXP, so very interesting, no? APX, some oil and mining stocks are trying to give us some hints that there might be a play soon. Um, Take note nyo lang to mga volatility ng mga stocks na to kasi illiquid to. So I know what you're seeing. Maybe I guess what you're seeing is this consolidation pattern over here, right? And then you might be looking at a potential breakout. So yun, mind the liquidity lang talaga guys when you're trading like this. MRET. Let's take a look at MRET. Ang REITs ba, is they are they doing well? Tingnan ko nga dito. REITs. So, a REIT, DDM, MP, Fillert, RCR, RCR, MRET. Well, looking at it, mm, pinakamataas ata na change sa REIT is MREIT, which is 5%. This is the daily, no? Um, REIT, DDM, PR, FLRT, RCR, MRAT. Wala lahat. REIT. Walang kwenta pala nitong walang kwenta pala itong mga REITs. Puro bagsak, guys. So yeah, I think habol mo naman dito are dividend yields, if I'm not mistaken. But no REITs right now is strong. If you're gonna trade the price, so I guess avoid for now. ASEN. Right. So for ASEN naman, very very tempting. Looking at ASEN, he's trying now to fill this gap over here that we have. So ito lang yung play niya as of the moment. Any movement from here is always going to be a sell for me. V-shape, kaya itong mga V-shape na reversal, guys, hindi yan sustainable. Always remember that. So if you'll be looking at it as a trade, this should only be a quick trade. So sell at resistance, sell our target prices. REIT will. Yeah, it's not doing good as well. Is this it? If I'm not mistaken. Hindi, wala pa pala. BDO, let's take a look at BDO. So for BDO, nag-text din si BDO sa akin. Basahin nga natin to, guys. Cash now for as low as 0.49% monthly add-on rate with your BDO credit card. Mga advertisement ni BDO, no? So looking at it, I did void. I think banks right now did very well for the past few weeks, but they are currently at retracement. MBT as well. MBT. Ayan. So if you're into financial and banks, you might want to pull it here somewhere maybe around 52, 53 for MBT. And BPI as well as BDO, and then just sell it once they have momentum. But, volatility wala dito sa mga to eh. So, I'd say I'd pass on personally. But if you find it very interesting, that's what I can say. Maybe around 30, 52, 53 for MBT. And for BDO, yeah, very classic. Ano, wait for the reaction at 50 MA. Other than that, I'm not seeing any good place for this. So Ani is done. Converge. Yeah, very interesting yung bounce to Converge, no? Um, going at it pa rin si Converge. So Converge, looking at it, after the move here, it's now tightening, tight, it's giving us a tight consolidation. Ito yung mga usual traps na ginagawa ng mga price after the move eh. So magkakaroon ng ganito. If it breaks out, same thing. If it breaks out, this should always be a sell, a target prices, sell at resistance. It's not going to be a buy and hold type of thing. So let's take a look at DMC. DMC is trying to recover after breaking the 100 MA. So far, the long-term trend ni DMC, very, very strong pa rin. I'm just concerned dito banda, kailangan niyang ma-hold, kailangan niyang, because after the downtrend, mag-breakdown siya. And then this might be a retest here as a potential lower high. So yun lang yung tinitingnan ko. So I want to see it consolidate and afterwards break before that's going to be interesting for me. So he is now reclaiming all MAs naman. Nasa below prices na yung lahat ng MAs. So this could be a trigger for you. Maybe the gap here is getting filled. But for this type of setup, just be very careful when you're trading this. I think if I'm gonna trade it, if I bought today, my stop would automatically be at 950. So if that does not hold, I'm gonna go out. So some names here. Guys, hopefully walang ipit sa inyo whatever ha. I'm seeing stocks that are downtrending. Nickel, it's a pass. That's yuck. Don't go for it. Mac is a bit okay. No, so ibang Mac pala yun. So yeah, still Mac is still okay for me. We just need to have a clear, move trend sa kanya. Kasi looking at it, if we're gonna do weekly chart, guys, tingnan nyo. Wala, diba? Very clear. So dapat yung breakout point niya is this one. If you're using trend line, that's going to be your breakout point. Up until it does not break out from that area, that's not gonna be a buy for me. So dapat lalabas siya here and then mag-consolidate above here for a potential continuation pattern pataas. Interesting chart-wise, but let's take a look at if this movement is a strong one, no? So we'll see. Dapat makita tayo ng significant volume and strong move. I'll be adding MAC to our watch lists just in case. RCB, bank din to, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's a pass for me. GMA7, it's been a long time, ha? Okay. So GM7, ano to? Nagka-cap ZS Play. Si GMA7 after quite some time. For reversal type of plays, we're seeing ZS as of the moment. Again, guys, walang volume sa market natin ngayon, so don't be expecting that you'll see, a lot of volume. Illiquid stocks, masyadong madami. Kaya personally, I just, avoid trading the Philippine market right now. I'm just on hold. I'm just saving bullets for next year. So I'm not even active that much on Discord server namin because I'm not actually looking at many names. So I'm just scouting. I'm still watch listing, but not into monitoring the moves every day. So medyo pause tayo, pahinga tayo for this month. Especially it's an upcoming holiday, Christmas. So, goal would be basically to spend time more sa family, talk to friends, share the gospel. That's basically my priority this month. So trading the Philippine market is basically sideline muna siya, hindi muna siya priority. And looking at the market, wala din naman masyadong magandang i-trade. Alright, so GMA 7, I know it's quite interesting. I just need one and look at more confirmation for this. Kung kaya nagte-trade kayo ng reversal, guys, kailangan yung balikan kung ano bang itsura ng mga reversing stocks. Say for example, eto. How did it reverse? What is the structure beforehand before siya nag-reverse? Dito. Anong structure niya before nyo to nakita? So, do you also see the same pattern over here? So those are the questions that you need to answer. Marv's Carrillo, best strategy in bear market, swing or bounce? Okay. For a bear market, best strategy is not to trade at all, especially in the Philippine market. To avoid trading, if ever you'll be trading, you look at outliers. But if you're very good already, bounces would be good. Quick bounces, maybe around 6 to 8 to 12% type of thing. Pero kailangan mo mataas yung win rate mo dito. So you need to know what you are doing or else you'll be burning your money here. Swing and bounce yung dalawa, but not breakout trades. On a bear market, Marvs, you need to avoid breakout trades. Go for swings and bounces on this type of market. FNI. Let's take a look at FNI. So FNI, no confirmation whatsoever yet. It's still on sideways. Andito pa siya banda, guys. Oh. What you want to see is it must consolidate above 245 para maging interesting siya for me. Right now, wala masyado. Wilcon. Yeah, Wilcon, I think na-discuss na natin to. For Wilcon, may linya na tayo dito. This area should hold around 30 pesos. So if this one would still want to continue its move, 30 pesos must be defended. Cut loss mo na agad if it does not hold 30 pesos. If it does not, if it goes 29, 28, wala, GG. Okay. That's for Wilcon. So I guess what I'm trying to say right now is on the Philippine market, no significant leaders that. I want the market to retrace na medyo lagapak so that we'll see which names are holding so we can easily identify which stocks that we would prioritize and we would be trading. Again, guys, this month is a preparation for upcoming holiday. Today is December 5. You still have like 3 more weeks for Christmas to buy gifts for your loved one. Maybe rest, if you've been burnt out for quite some time trading the market, you've experienced a lot of loss, especially this year. To be quite honest, this year has not been so good personally to me. Walang masyadong plays, hindi masyadong napuruhan yung mga runners. So, the market is not very good and not in a good condition for almost 1 year. But always remember, these are cycles, You need to understand that there would be times that cycles, there would be bear market cycles and bull market cycles. If you remember the days like Dito, ASEN, Converge, FA, EPL, those are great days. But then again, this year has been a very hard year, which is a bear market for the Philippine market. So don't be hard on yourself. Bawi ka lang next year if ever the market would, be in a good condition. So if you're on a state right now na medyo pangit, series of losses, always go back. Did I learn something? What are the things that I learned this year? Would I be able to be a better trader by next year? Would I be apply all the learnings that I have for the next year's market? Wag mo na tignan if masyado malaki yung lugi mo or hindi ka kumita. But the question is there improvement and are you a better trader than before? So I guess that is it. But a quick reminder lang, guys, or a quick announcement. Before we end, that ZFT is now again opening its best-selling course. technical intensive this coming January. It's now open. So if you want to learn more about technical stuff, about proper risk management, about reading market cycles, about having actually, I'm claiming it's ZFT has the best trading community out there. Support. Um, Click on the link provided. The classes will start on January 8th, if I'm not mistaken. Double check ko lang. Yes, January 8th till February 13. So classes would be from Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 p.m. So MWF, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Philippine time. And TTH would be Q&A sessions. So in case you're already pagod na kayong mag self-study, or you don't have your own community, you might want to join us, ZFT Trading Republic, this coming January. All right, I'll see you there. I'll see you there, guys, by next year. But I mean, please do this month, guys. Take it easy. Not be aggressive on your trades as much as possible. Just rests. Reset. Um, don't burn any money. Be stronger and ready to slay the market by next year if the opportunity present itself. So I guess wala pa lang trading this Thursday because Thursday is a holiday, if I'm not mistaken. Or tama ba? Ano bang meron sa December 8? Alam ko walang trading eh. Ano bang Ano bang meron sa guys? Okay. Basta no trading on Thursday. Feast of the Immaculate. All right. So that would be this coming Thursday. All right. So I guess that's it. It's 3:41. Medyo napaaga tayo because, like I've mentioned, there's no movers yet. You know, just stay safe, guys. Keep on charting, keep on watch listing, reset, or maybe take a break. Right? So I guess that's it. This has been your host, your delicious. Stay delicious, guys. Take care.